Tomatoes are awesome fruits that are commonly mistaken for vegetables. Some of the unusual facts about tomatoes are berries because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. In the 18th century, many Europeans believed tomatoes were poisonous. The belief was likely due to the fact that wealthy people ate them off pewter plates, which contain lead. The acidity in tomatoes would cause lead to leach from the plate, leading to lead poisoning. There are over 10,000 varieties of tomatoes. They come in a range of shapes, sizes, and colors, including red, yellow, green, orange, purple, and black, and even striped varieties. I never knew there were different types of colored tomatoes. Tomatoes were called wolf peaches because it was believed that witches used them to summon werewolves. Tomatoes have many health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and heart disease. Applying tomato juice or pulp to the skin is believed to have a soothing effect on sunburns. Every year, the Spanish town of Bunal hosts La Tomatina, a festival where participants throw tomatoes at each other. The event, held in August, attracts thousands of people and involves thousands of pounds of tomatoes. Tomatoes ripen faster with bananas. Placing tomatoes with bananas can speed up the ripening process due to increased ethylene production. All the parts of tomato plant are poisonous except for the fruit. China is the largest producer of tomatoes. That's all about tomatoes for today. Hope you like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.